Hello, all. I am Shweta, and I'm a parent just like you are. This lockdown has given me some time to introspect some things of my life and some parenting mistakes which we all commit knowingly or unknowingly. One such mistake which we all do unknowingly most of the times is public shaming. What is public shaming? Public shaming is basically disgracing or dishonoring a person publicly. I mean, in front of everybody. There are drastic effects of public shaming that most of us don't even know of. We don't even think of what that public shaming caused to the person. Let us consider a scenario. As parents, we all attend parent teacher meeting once in every month, most probably, in most of the schools. Okay, let us consider a scenario where XYZ parent went to a parent teacher meeting and the teacher calls each of the parents personally to talk about the child. The child and the parent are sitting with the teacher. The teacher shows his marks reports and she tells, your child is excelling in science, but maybe he needs a little more help on the font of mathematics, seeing the numbers. The parent there is supposed to think of it as a more assistance is needed for the child in performing better at maths in general. Consider the scenario wherein the parent replies, yes ma'am, my son or my daughter is very poor in maths. He wants to watch TV all the time and he never does any work. What does that impact cause on the child? From the child's perspective, if we think of it, the child feels shamed in front of his teacher because he was watching TV. He might not have done his homework on a day or a couple of days. It is not a scenario in which the child does not do the homework on any single day. But we somehow end up telling words like that in front of the child to his teacher, and the child feels shamed. The next time when you want the child to switch off the TV and do his homework, the child feels, anyway you complain to my ma'am. What difference does that make? Anyway, I am a bad boy. How can not doing homework for one more day make me more bad? And the child may end up feeling depressed because he is shamed. There can be even more dangerous effects which I prefer not telling you. This is not the way as parents we should be behaving. We are far more matured than the child is. Without knowing, we cannot tell the teacher or the relative or anybody mean remarks about the child's performance or anything involving the child. We as parents have the privilege of knowing some aspects of our children's life which are to be kept personal or private to the family. We are not supposed to make every aspect of the life of the child or his shortcomings public. We should be the strength of the child and not his weakness. In order to boost confidence in the children, public shaming is certainly not the way. In order to boost confidence in children, okay, I will try to invest more time in making my child more advanced or more developed in so and so area, I will do whatever it takes to make him a better individual. If you want the child to change, just talk to the child when he is alone of what his feelings are, of why he wants to learn some subject, or why he is less interested in subject, or why he is not able to perform in a certain area. And there is every point in the child may express it in his own words, and the distance between you, the communication gap is reduced. After all, you want the child to learn. You better know it from him what he needs to improve himself than publicly shaming him for his misdoings. Don't utilize your privilege of being a parent into depressing them or causing any negative effect on the growth of the child. The main intention for me to do this video is to know all of you. It's to make each parent aware of public shaming. It is that you should not talk negatively about the child in front of anybody, including your partner. If you want the child to change, just talk to them and make peace with the fact that the child is improving. Even slowly, let him improve on his own. If you end up saying harsh words, the child may never ever excel in that field. I am very sorry to say the rate of depression is increasing at an alarming rate than previous generation. There are issues in which innocent children who are underage are committing suicides, and we as parents are not allowed to bring such trauma to our children. So please try to understand children. Please have a friendly rapport with the children and don't ever public shame them. If this video of mine is able to even change one parent's mind into not public shaming his child, that is enough for me. Let every child grow into a happy individual where he is not stressed but is blessed. Where the mind is without fear and where the head is held high.